Alright, morning peeps. So, going on the walk. This morning we'll be going to Moorland. Said good morning. Time and time before that we got Moorland and we never finished the journey. This morning we get up early enough. See, the sun not even kiss me yet. And I'm walking. So let's see what the road's like. Yeah. Same thing with the pan, you know, the same set. So this road is my favorite road in a way because it shows like spiritual healing I've had since walking on this road. A little further around, but the same road, just the same. It's the same road with the stick and the stone, metaphors and learning myself and who I am. So much strength. On the stretch towards moorland, the environment is so still and calm. The birds are just gently chirping on the road. You know, you hear the cocks crowing. Yeah, but still, life is beautiful. Just had a little thought there, but I'm gonna keep that one to myself. Wow, life is beautiful. So this yard over here, apparently it's like a forest. The man has, part of his land is like a forest. It looks amazing, by the way. And there is a fantastic house over there. I want to carry a pump on the road, you know, say, Rasta work more than jalopy. Yeah, Smooth Regal said that. Original, Smooth Regal. There's another little complex thing over here. Now we're going on the journey. So here's the home forest. I always said I'd like one of these, you know, when I get older in my funds. But the funny thing is, the man is over there, he looks like he's a great granddad or something, you know. That's like a story by itself. The granddad on the mountain. What treasures does he have? So mysterious. Somebody should put a nerd emoji right here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, yeah. Wow. It's beautiful, man. And you see the palm trees, Aluwasi palm trees. Here they are. Yeah, we got them in Jamaica too. So his yard, the great thing is that the palm trees are towards the entrance. You see, when we did Likla, we used to watch my show name, Royal Palm. Even though that show they alone next summer, we could have watched so utter or something. We got to DJ Sparks, she was a part of that. We love DJ Sparks, she had gone to that thing, you know. Yeah, much love and strength, sister. So this is the house. Me I tell you, it's like so beautiful. You're like, yeah.